this is my room. Yeah, it's got the lived-in look. I guess I'm not the tidiest. Anyways, very nice, comfortable bed, little nightstand. I just cleaned my room, so it's really nice in here right now. It's got a TV set. It's got a wonderful bathroom. On demand hot water. It's even got a little sprayer attached to it. So, home sweet home. Not bad at all. This room gets a little bit of foreign light coming in. They offered me another room, but I really like it in this room. It's quite comfortable, and I even have my fire stick attached in case I want to peruse YouTube and do a little bit of research. So all in all, I highly recommend Colombia Hostel, or this is Colombia Hostel here in San Gil. And check it out. This is a really nice place for you adventure addicts, kayakers. This is great. There is some class 3 nearby, and further up the river, there's as much as you want. It gets rowdy and steep. Here's a wonderful map of some of the local offerings and adventures. And the staff is incredibly nice, and they'll help you book any trip you want.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to me, Mr. Joseph.
Okay, so this wonderful room cost me, on average, and best as I can figure, $17.50 after the conversion rate. So that's probably well within most of your budgets. It's kind of almost stretching mine. Yeah, I'm a dirtbag. It's kind of expensive in my world, but I think I'll survive yet. I'm saving a lot of money on eating, so it all averages out in the wash.